So you are about to buy a house and you're wondering, what do I need to do to be prepared so I can get through this? Well, that's what we're going to talk about today. So the first thing you're going to need as a buyer is you need to figure out your funds. Are you going to be paying cash for it, or are you going to need financing? If you need financing, go ahead and start looking for a lender, or if you have a real estate agent in mind, they might have a preferred lender that you might like. So once you have that financing side of things complete, that's really one of the hardest parts of it. Your next step is going to be finding you a real estate agent that matches your personality, that you want to work with, that you like, that you trust with your money, that's going to get you through this process. Once you find that real estate agent, you're pretty much golden. You're going to be in the hands of that agent. They're going to get you set up for property searches. They're going to be showing you houses. They're going to be doing the whole 9 yards. But the number one thing you need to be prepared for to get to that point is just have your financing down. If you have your financing down before you even talk to a real estate agent, it's going to go by like that. If you like this video, be sure to hit that like button, and if you want to see more video content like this, be sure to hit that follow button.